This is why you should add veggies and fiber to your smoothies.
Wow.
Let me change your life. When we eat something that is high in carbs and sugar, our blood sugars go up, they spike very fast. Now, if we add fiber, see what happens to that spike.
Wow.
It's not as high. Veggies are high in fiber. So we are gonna add veggies to our smoothies. This smoothie has 1 frozen banana. As you know, banana is very high in sugar. However, if we add fiber, we can counteract the sugar spike. So we have 1 cup of frozen spinach. And what I love about spinach is that it's completely tasteless. And it's going to make your smoothie look super aesthetic, super green, super healthy. Then we are going to add a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And chia are very high in fiber. So we're adding more fiber, and they're also a great source of fat. Then 1 tablespoon of nut butter. So almond butter, peanut butter, your choice. Fat keeps us full longer, and it will decrease the spike in blood sugars as well. Then optional, you can add a little bit of cinnamon, which it's going to give it a little bit of natural sweetness. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which is optional. And lastly, optional, protein powder. Protein also keeps us full longer. If you want to add protein powder, fantastic. If you don't want to add protein powder, it's completely fine. Because I understand it gives it a little bit of protein flavor. It can mask the other flavors. So I completely understand if you don't want to add protein powder. Unless you have a neutral protein powder or a protein powder flavor that you really like. It's your choice. You have to add fiber in the form of veggies, seeds, but fiber. Super important. And then if you can add fat and protein, fantastic.